What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be heading down to the paint shop because my wing is officially been painted, ready to pick up. So we're going to go grab that today, and then from there we're actually headed to a different shop to pick up a part that I've mentioned in the past couple videos but I haven't quite revealed yet. It's taken a couple extra weeks to get it done, but it's finally ready to pick up. So we're going to pick up not one but two parts today. Can't wait to show you guys. So we just picked up the wing. It's sitting behind me all wrapped up in some towels. I'll give you guys the reveal when we get home, but for now we're headed to Anaheim to pick up part number 2. Okay, we just got to the shop in Anaheim. Gonna go grab it and then I'll check in with you guys. So here it is, the mystery part is now revealed. We got a Xeric Fabrication roll bar. I went with the single diagonal, and then I also have a harness bar that's going to attach to the seatbelt towers. They normally come in black, but I went with a custom silver metallic. It's got like 2 coats of metallic flake on there, so you could see it under the light here. It's pretty metallic-y, but out in the sunlight it really shines. So that's gonna look really cool. So yeah, we're gonna be putting that in this weekend. But today we're gonna be putting this on. It's my wing, got it all paint matched. It's all covered with towels right now just so it didn't get dinged up, but let me show you when I unwrap it here. Here's the freshly paint matched wing. Can't wait to get this thing on the car. We got one of the neighbors down the street coming down to give us a hand just so we can get this thing on perfect. It's pretty easy install, but just want to make sure it's lined up right. I already held it up next to the car, and the paint's not spot on, but it's about 98%. The paint shop going in told me that they couldn't get it 100%, they couldn't guarantee the 100, and so I wasn't expecting it to be 100% perfect, but the paint looks really good and should look awesome. So let's go ahead and put this thing on. All right, just had my uncle and our neighbor Mike, the 2 Mikes, help me test fit this thing on here. This is how it looks right now. This isn't fully installed, but this is how it'll be. Pretty sick. The wing is officially installed. We got the backing off the tape, set it down. This wing is really cool because you don't actually have to drill into the trunk. There's brackets that actually sandwich around the wing and the trunk lid, and then you just kind of set down or tighten down the set screws. There's like 4 of them. 2 brackets on each side, and then the double-sided tape. I already showed you guys what it looked like all mocked up. I'm gonna go ahead and back the car out, and then let's see this thing in the sunlight. Well, that's about a wrap. The wing is installed. It looks super awesome in my opinion, and I'm one of very few people that has this in the US. Like I said in a past video, I had to actually order this from Japan, wait 2 months for it to be made and sent to me, and then another couple weeks for paint. So it's been about 2.5, 3 months coming, but I am so stoked that I was able to get this wing. Hope you guys really like it too. I think it looks awesome. But before I close out this video, I know I showed you guys the roll bar already. I wanted to show you what the actual sparkle looks like in the sunlight because it's really awesome. It's super bright. I'll show you a little example on the harness bar here. Here's the harness bar. You could see some of that metallic in the shade here, but I want to show you how bright it is in the sun. Hopefully it'll catch it on the camera here.
You got the show coming on?
Yeah, so you could really see that glitter sparkle. I can't wait until the top's down, you can see the whole thing. I think it's gonna really tie in well with the silver wheels and everything, so should be awesome. So keep an eye out for that video. I'm gonna try to install it this weekend. I got a couple days of work, but then I got a few days off in a row. I know it's a kind of a lengthy process. Not too hard, I'm not worried about it, but it is probably gonna take a good day or two. So yeah, until then, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you wanna see more videos like this, go ahead and click subscribe, drop a like down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.